Normally, there are two types of the custom product field. We have the line item property and also the meta field property. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can go about the line item property just like this. So you'll be able to add your custom product field to your Shopify product page, or maybe your product field to your Shopify product pages without you needing any application. So right as you can see need more info, enter your request there. I'm going to teach you how you can go about that easily within a few minutes. Now let's go straight to the video tutorial. So now to add your line item property in a way that people can just go ahead, your customers can just go ahead and add additional information about a product and get them straight to your to their cart. Let's go straight and do it. And right there, the first thing you want to do is to click on, come to your online store, your Shopify dashboard as usual. You come to the themes and go ahead and customize your theme. And once you're here, you want to go to your product pages. So you can click on this drop down, then go to products and go to default products. Then once you're here, as you can see right there, so you want to come to the product information, and right there you want to hover around these sections, around this variant speaker, and you want to, depending on the theme you're using, so however your theme structure is, but you want to add this to before the add to cart, or maybe under the add to cart, whichever one you want to do. And in case you want to learn how you can go about and add this, I agree to all terms and conditions to your product page or any page, you can go and check out my channel. I've got tutorials there that can teach you how to go about that, and I already have the tutorial in my channel. Or possibly I'm also linked to it in the video description. So now go ahead and, but in case I do not, please go ahead, check out my channel. So now go here to this, hover around this variant speaker and click on this plus icon, and you want to add a block, not section. You want to add a block, okay, inside the product's information. So I'm going to go ahead and search for custom liquid. And right here, the custom liquid is added. You can see the space there. You can also move it around wherever you want it to be placed. But I'm just going to put it under the variant speaker. And I'm going to go ahead, click that. And I'm going to give you a short code to use. Now, don't forget, this is easy. Even the beginner can do this. All you need to do is just copy paste the custom code, and you can just change the text inside it to whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead now and paste the code. So now I paste the code. Now don't worry, I'm going to give you this code I'll possibly link to it in a doc file. So you can just go ahead, click on the doc link, and it takes you straight to copy the code. Or maybe I might just link to it in the video description also, whichever one. And right there, you can see that it's now showing the moment I paste the code. And you can even edit this text inside, like this, enter your request here. You can just change it to enter your choice here, okay, or whatever it is you want to input, you can change it. So you see, it's very easy. It's something that even the beginner can do, even if you don't know anything about coding or development. This is something easy for you to do, and you go ahead and you hit on save, and now you're good to go. You have your product field to Shopify product page inside your store. So if this video has been helpful, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button, so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this. And also don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And you can share this video also with your friends and family. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment box. I'll sure reply you. Thank you very much. I wish you the best. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.